Welcome to a journey of transforming your bedroom into a serene sanctuary. Today, we're exploring 11 incredible plants that can elevate your sleep, purify your air, and add a touch of natural beauty to your personal space. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, surrounded by nature's gentle embrace. These aren't just decorations. They're living air purifiers and mood enhancers. From improving air quality to reducing stress, the benefits of bedroom plants are truly remarkable. Let's dive into our top picks, starting with a true superstar. First up, the snake plant, or Sansevieria trifasciata. This architectural beauty is a champion of air purification, known for converting carbon dioxide into oxygen at night. It's incredibly low maintenance, thriving on neglect, making it perfect for busy individuals. Place it on a bedside table or a dresser for a touch of modern elegance. It tolerates low light conditions, making it versatile for various bedroom layouts. Just be mindful not to overwater. Next, meet the ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia. This plant is practically indestructible, boasting glossy, dark green leaves that add a sophisticated touch to any room. It's an excellent air purifier, removing toxins like xylene and toluene. Its drought tolerance means you can forget to water it for weeks, and it will still look fantastic. The ZZ plant thrives in low to moderate light, making it ideal for bedrooms that don't receive direct sunlight. A true set-it-and-forget-it plant. Our third pick is the versatile pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Known for its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves, pothos is incredibly easy to grow and maintain. It's a fantastic air purifier, tackling common household toxins. Hang it from a basket or let it cascade from a shelf to add a lush, jungle-like feel to your bedroom. Pothos can adapt to various light conditions, from low to bright indirect light, making it a forgiving choice for any bedroom. Just avoid direct sun. Next, the charming spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. These plants are famous for their spiderettes, or baby plants that dangle from the mother plant. Spider plants are excellent at removing formaldehyde and xylene from the air. They are also non-toxic, making them a safe choice for homes with pets or children. They prefer bright, indirect light and consistent moisture. A hanging basket is a perfect way to display their unique, cascading form. Moving on to a plant renowned for its soothing aroma, lavender, lavandula angustifolia. Its beautiful purple flowers and calming scent are perfect for a bedroom. The scent of lavender is scientifically proven to promote relaxation, reduce anxiety, and improve sleep quality. It's like a natural sleep aid. Lavender needs plenty of bright, direct sunlight, so place it near a sunny window. Ensure good air circulation to keep it healthy. Next, the incredible Aloe Vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller. This succulent is not only beautiful, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Aloe vera releases oxygen at night, improving air quality while you sleep. Its gel also has medicinal properties, soothing burns and skin irritations. It prefers bright, indirect light and infrequent watering. A sunny spot in your bedroom will help it thrive. Our seventh plant is the elegant peace lily, Spathiphyllum. With its striking white blooms and dark green leaves, it adds a touch of sophistication. Peace lilies are excellent at filtering out harmful toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene, significantly improving indoor air quality. They prefer low to medium indirect light and consistently moist soil. They'll even tell you when they need water by drooping slightly. Next, we have English ivy, Hedera helix. This classic trailing plant is not just for outdoors. It's a fantastic indoor air purifier. NASA studies show English ivy is highly effective at reducing airborne mold and fecal matter particles, making your bedroom air cleaner and healthier. It thrives in medium to bright indirect light and prefers consistently moist soil. Its trailing habit makes it perfect for shelves or hanging baskets. Our ninth plant is the majestic Areca palm, Dipsis lutescens. This tropical beauty brings a touch of the exotic to your bedroom. Areca palms are excellent humidifiers, releasing moisture into the air, which can help alleviate dry skin, irritated sinuses, and even improve sleep. They prefer bright, indirect light and consistently moist soil. A larger pot will allow it to grow into an impressive statement piece. Next, the lush Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata. This classic fern is known for its feathery fronds and air-purifying capabilities. Boston ferns are excellent at removing formaldehyde and xylene from the air, and they also act as natural humidifiers, much like the Areca palm. They thrive in high humidity and indirect light, making a bathroom or a well-misted bedroom corner ideal. Keep their soil consistently moist. Finally, the exquisite gardenia, Gardenia jasminoides. Known for its intoxicating fragrance and beautiful white flowers, it's a true sensory delight. The scent of gardenia has been shown to have sedative properties, promoting relaxation and potentially improving sleep quality, similar to Valium. Gardenias require bright, indirect light, high humidity, and consistent moisture. They are a bit more demanding, but worth the effort for their beauty and fragrance. There you have it. 11 fantastic plants to transform your bedroom into a haven of peace and fresh air. Each one offers unique benefits, from purifying the air to promoting restful sleep. Imagine the difference a little greenery can make in your daily life. A healthier environment, a calmer mind, and a more beautiful space to unwind. Which of these plants will you invite into your bedroom first? Share your favorites in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on creating your ideal home environment. Transform your sleep naturally.